Chris 6 News at noon continues.
Well, good noontime, everybody. The warm, humid weather continues. That's predictable. The problem is the rain that's coming in. We haven't, we went from drought to flood and then to drought again, and now all of a sudden we've got rain coming. How much is a big question. Looking for a high today of about 93. These are your forecast highs around the region. If you're still working and not off for the holidays, well, it's just going to be hot and humid. Keep that in mind. The heat index should get up to 105 this afternoon. Now, what we're looking at is right here. This is an area of low pressure. It's an easterly wave. It's drifting toward us. Can't stop it. It's coming tomorrow, and I know that's 4th of July, but that's where we're at. Right now, we're on the downside of this, and so we're getting a little bit of a dry air mass aloft, although it's humid at the surface. But you can see how the cloud deck is beginning to roll into the Houston area, and then the showers start coming in as well. So yes, I do have rain shower activity for the 4th at night. And so I'm saying to you right now, what is your plan B? If it rains, do you have a tent? If it rains, do you have a place to, a shed to hide under? Those are things that we're going to have to deal with for the next 3 days as this shower activity starts rolling in. Here's another view of it. Here's New Orleans. Here's the center of it. You can see how it basically pulses. In other words, at night it weakens, and in the daytime with the heating, it picks up a little steam. So right now the heaviest activity is still off the coast of Louisiana. Houston hasn't seen anything yet, but they'll be first to see it as it starts coming in. Here's Future Tracker. This goes out 48 hours, and you can see how we are looking at probably up to an inch of rain in some spots of Corpus Christi. Now, this will be very widely scattered depending on where you're standing, but a little bit heavier rain, storm total 3 days just to the north of us. There's Fabio, no problem there. There's our little problem. Big system down here off of Nicaragua, but not expected to form into a tropical storm. The Atlantic continues on the quiet side, even though the storms keep coming off the west coast of Africa, but they're dropping south into the intertropical convergence zone. So here we are today. Here we are tomorrow. The clouds come in first on Wednesday, and then Wednesday afternoon and evening, we've had the shower chance. Looks like heavier stuff to the north. So Beeville, Goliad, on up to Gonzales and Karnes County, you need to be watching out. And then the shower activity continues right on through Thursday before it finally clears up on Friday. Looking for a 92 today, only 90 with the clouds and the showers. For those of you planning your vacation stuff, just keep your eyes on the weather. Otherwise, have a great time.